Sa lahat
Ay, siya mismo
ng
mo
question
numero uno, mga kapangitan.
mula sa atin. Merry Christmas everyone. Sa lahat ng ating kapatigihan.
Wala.
Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Thank you for all. God bless you.
Tanan.
Sunod na tuwing 2026.
Ako yung guwapa,
And Alban Happy New Year. God bless you. Always you. Merry Christmas. We're happy together. Always set the stage and Papa Bon Iloilo. And YouTube channel and subscribe YouTube channel Papa Bon Iloilo. Your message to giving us to you. And Happy New Year, Alban. Thank you very much. Thank you for us.